What design platform will you choose for your startup? The initial cost and IT overhead of a traditional CAD solution may be too constraining. Your success relies on a lean approach to product development because you fill all the roles. You need broad capabilities and a flexible way to use them. The solution is SOLIDWORKS Cloud. Your product design started with an idea, and ideas start with a sketch that you can transform into 3D in any browser on any connected device. Create features with engineered precision so you can print functional prototypes or output directly to CNC. Explore alternative designs and capture revision history with built-in cloud data management. Conceptualize and fast-track new product designs with free-form subdivisional modeling. With this push-pull approach, it's never been easier to create manufacturable, complex organic shapes. Design bent and formed sheet metal parts and produce flat pattern output that's ready for fabrication. Assemble components with intelligent mating tools as well as time-saving automation that predicts assembly behavior. Your design tools and your data follow you wherever you work, and there's never any software updates to install, but in a small company, you're responsible for more than just product design. Create weldments and frames for tooling or fixturing. Generate realistic product renderings and colorways, leveraging cloud computing resources. And of course, provide manufacturing documentation to get your products built. How do you want to work? You have many roles to fill, so you can't afford to be slowed down by disconnected tools. You need an all-inclusive product development solution that provides the flexibility and freedom to innovate from a brand you can trust. To find out more, contact SolidX today.